gonna burp. Come on, you're gonna burp. You're gonna burp you. Oh my goodness. Who ate? Somebody ate a lot?
Did you get volunteered to change her too?
I'll change her. Oh, so that means that he is finding volunteers? How are you feeling?
I actually kind of got filled it, so I'm gonna lay down.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Just for a little bit.
Take a nap.
I'll be there in a second, baby.
I'll take care of her. You guys want to take a nap?
Yo no tengo sueño.
Look at this. Come on. Come on. Are you lifting that head? Who's got daddy's ears? Who's got daddy's ears? Huh? Who's got daddy's ears? I think that she's ticklish.
Is she ticklish?
Look. Look. You see that? Look. She lifts her head.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
She's ticklish. Ay, mira cómo levanta la cabeza ya. Ay, muchachita, princesa linda.
Yeah, you have to speak Spanish to her, so
Yeah.
you don't want her Spanish as shitty as mine.
Okay. Shushu. A ver. A ver. Gas, 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 shushu. A ver. A ver. Oh, Dios santo. Oh, Dios santo. Ay, qué cosa más rica. Divina.
This is your first time burping
Yeah.
her?
Uh-huh.
This is your first time grandma
Yeah.
burping?
Yeah, I'm about to change diapers too.
Yeah, you're gonna change diaper? When was the last time you changed
Jesus, like,
a diaper?
like 30 years ago.
No, she's rolling her eyes at you.
Is
She's
she?
going, oh my god, just get over it.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down because she's not gonna burp like
Okay,
this.
bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Juju.